Hi friends, welcome back to the DuckHill workshop. My name is Ben, and today we're going to continue with our 10-hour maintenance by changing the oil. So we have a new filter up top, or well, we will. We've got a new filter to replace, and TimberKing is kind enough to give us an extension on the oil drain. It's up in here. So I'll give you a closer look for sure. But first, what we need: new filter, genuine Kohler. It is a 5205002 gas filter. Now there's a whole list of alternative filters that you can use. We opted for the first couple to do genuine Kohler, and we'll see how that works, and then we'll find out what the most economical option is. Oil, we're running full synthetic 10W30. Pipe tape, thread tape for that release there, and then a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, because it is just a square drive. Oh, let me double check that. Good thing I checked. You need a 3/8 drive ratchet. I'm gonna go get that. Okay, so I grabbed a 1/2 to 3/8 reducer for my my 1/2-inch ratchet. The other thing you're gonna need is a 5-gallon bucket. If you want gloves, wear gloves. If you want paper towels, shop towels to clean up the mess, do that too. I'm gonna drain the oil first, then I'm gonna take off the filter. Then I'm gonna reverse the process and put it, oh, pipe tape. I think I included that from the factory. The drain plug has pipe thread tape on it, so we're gonna put it back when we do that. All right, let's jump over there and get started. All right, we're on the left side of the motor. We're up here. So the battery's right here. This is the plate that the engine sits on, and we're underneath the hydraulic hoses that go up to the height adjustments. So we're right there. It's our drain plug. Get our 1/2 to 3/8 reducer on our 1/2-inch ratchet. It's just a square drive. Go ahead and back out that drain plug. It might be finger loose. Yeah. It's kind of hard to see with all the fuel lines and hydraulic lines in the way, but there we go. Look at that yummy break-in oil. All right, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put that bolt back in. I already wrapped it in thread tape first. Damn it. Get you in there. Alright, and that's, I think we're in there. We got about 3 threads exposed. That should be good. Now, on to the big filter. Alright, this might be a little difficult to do without being in the way. Try to stand back here. Get yourself a wrench. Preferably a filter wrench. That wasn't bad. Set that down. And you're supposed to fill the filter with oil so it absorbs some. Let's come down a minute. Huh. It is actually, that filter material's sucking up. That's pretty nifty. Dump that, wipe clean oil around your gasket, flip her over, put her back. It helps if you don't get oil all over the filter before you put it in, like I just did. And put that back on hand tight. Doesn't need to be reefed down. There we go. Cool. Now, try to put oil in. I should maybe check how much oil goes back in. 2.1 quarts. Perfect. And we're good. All right, there you go, friends. Quick and dirty, how to change the oil on a TimberKing 2020. So, until next time.